Hi, my name is Ezekiel. I'm a biology and German major, as well as a mathematics minor. And I had the opportunity to study and work in Konstanz, Germany, at the Universität Konstanz. And my project is called The Effects of Lake Constance Re-Eutrophication on the Overwinter Mortality of Perca fluviatilis, or the European perch, or Flussbarsch, as they're called in German. You can see them on the bottom right. Constance is an absolutely beautiful city. I lived right on Lake Constance, as well as with a view of the Alps. It was breathtaking. The picture at the top right is from just outside my apartment. And it was a really, really fantastic time. I had so many insane experiences, met so many crazy friends. Um, and it was really insane. It was a really, really fantastic opportunity. The city is beautiful. Right outside of the city is also beautiful. The middle picture is from that. And I also had the opportunity to go climbing in the mountains in Austria, which I have an absolutely crazy story to tell about that. But of course, I'll have to tell you guys that at the summit. Um, my project was, again, about European perch. These pictures aren't from that. They are from excursions that I did with the group that I worked with, the Arbeitsgruppe Schreile, where we went out and collected plant samples from Lake Constance. Most of my work was office work. I did a lot of data analysis of 16 years of length, weight, and fat content of perch collected from 1999 to 2015. All these perch were collected to overwinter, which is really important as the winter is a really crucial stage in a fish's life cycle. Um, because excuse me, I lost my train of thought. But the winter is a really, really crucial point in the life cycle of perch because it can really show just how well a population is surviving. Um, because winter has a lot of does not have a lot of food, does not have a lot of nutrients, does not have a lot of light, does not is not very warm. And so it's really, really crucial that these species are able to survive throughout the winter to be able to successfully reproduce after it. The perch are also really important as they are a native species in Lake Constance. They are economically important and they are culturally important. And they are also at risk of being outcompeted by another species, the ruff. Um, in this study, we did not have the chance to study them, but we did have a lot of chances to study perch. And it was really interesting. A little context about Lake Constance. Lake Constance is oligotrophic, which means that it's nutrient poor. However, it had become nutrient rich because of pollution from fertilizer and industry. But since the 1960s, um, there have been laws and there have been many things put set in place to bring Lake Constance back to its oligotrophic state. And our main goal is to see how this affects the perch and how it has affected the perch and see how it's going to continue to affect their survival, such as their mortality or their size. And this is really important as for a lot of um, other lakes that are very similar. They're also becoming oligotrophic, such as the Great Lakes here in the United States. Some of them, they have similar perch species. And with our models and with our findings, we can help expand our work and the results to see how conservation of these native species in other lakes is going to be affected. Awesome. Well, I'm happy to tell you more about my project at the summit. I will see you there. Thanks so much.